Hi everybody, it's Yuki once again giving you guys another Karuta Bot tutorial. This is the second tutorial in our Karuta Bot series, and I hope you guys have been enjoying it. If you guys are brand new to the channel, I do Moody Bot, Karuta Bot, Suma Bot, and many other bots to come for tutorials. So if you guys enjoy those tutorials as well, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Our first Karuta Bot tutorials have actually exceeded my expectations, actually, over exceeded actually. We got over 1,000 views on that one, and I cannot wait for more. And I hope you guys have been learning some stuff from here. So I cannot wait to give you more. For today, we're going to take a look at the basic commands of the Karuta bot. And last time we took a look at configurations, so make sure you guys check out that tutorial as well. So basic commands have to deal with gameplay and other systems of game. So let's take a look at the first command of the day. And remember, the prefix is K with an exclamation mark, so don't forget about that. And here's the first one. The first one is called vote, V-O-T-E, and this will remind you to vote for the Karuta bot. Now, this vote command actually helps you with something else called monthly rewards. And what you need to do is click on this thing. It will tell you to vote. When you vote, it's going to count toward your monthly reward. And you can check your progress on that by using $K exclamation mark monthly, and it will show you the progress of your. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Oops. It will show you the progress of your monthly reward. So as you guys can see, I have voted 0 times in June, and therefore there will be no reward because I have 0 votes. To get the bronze prize, you need 30 votes. To get the silver prize, you need 40 votes. And to get the gold prize is 50 votes. Remember that you need to claim your rewards in June at the end of the month. Next one is called daily, K daily. And the way this command works is that you're going to get a daily gold reward. Now, as you can see already, I actually tested it to make sure what happens is correct. I already claimed my reward, but you're going to get some gold is your reward for the day for this particular thing. And I believe I have shown it right here. As you can see here, I have a daily reward of 78 gold. Now keep in mind that the reward changes each day, so make sure you guys understand that. The next command is K drop. Now I'm not going to show you this one because it is regular gameplay. Now keep in mind that the K drop will only work in 2 ways. The channel that you use for K exclamation mark set, and if you have that as a channel, the bot will drop 3 cards automatically based on the activity in your server. For example, if you have 70 people active in your server at one time, the drop will happen at some random time during that 1 hour. So make sure you have an active server for the Karuta bot to drop some cards automatically in that set channel. Okay, next one is called K upgrade. The way K upgrade works is you can upgrade your cards of any type. So I have this one, this recent one. You can upgrade. Here's the catch. There's a chance of percent of upgrading, and you're going to need to use the following resources. You need 5 dust with 2 stars, and you need 100 gold. Now to see what you have, you use K inventory. We will go back to this command later on. So as you can see, I have 192 gold. I have $2 2-star dust, gold dust, good dust, which I can, but I need 5. And I have 1 star excellent dust of 3-star, but I only have 2 dust. So I cannot use the upgrade at this point. But that is how you can check your inventory. The next one we're going to take a look at is K-Burn. So K-Burn is how you dispose of cards, and you're going to get resources. Here's how you use it. As you guys can see here, a little embed pops up. Here's what you will receive if you destroy this card. Okay, burn icon is yes, X is no. Or you can choose a card based on ID number, and here's how you find that out. K exclamation mark collection. K exclamation mark collection. You choose card ID number. The ID number is this one right here on the left. This is how you collect card. So as you can see here with this card, the ID number is this number, and that card is this one. So you can choose which cards you want to use or burn at any time using these ID numbers. So for example, K burn, let's say, and let's go with K as 8 W 16, and as you can see here, it will give you that card that you don't want. You don't want this card, you can dispose of it. Same thing with multi-burn. K multi-burn. You might specify a filter now because of the way this works. Let's say K multi-burn. Let's say, let's get this ID number. I'm gonna copy and paste to make it easy. Copy, paste, and in space, I'm just gonna choose this one. See if this works. Oh, it's filter. Let's see the filters. And the filters, you usually find them in the command list. And your filters are going to be in the, right here. Okay, we're going to take a look at more filters later on. All right, but for now, let's say that you can multi-burn card. All right, now the next one is going to be gems. Now this is the only one I cannot officially play with because of how it works. But gems allow you a few things to do. First of all, gems are actually a currency in some part of the Karuta Bot. Second thing, you can support the Karuta Bot development and stuff because of the fact that gems will require some real money here. So for example, if you want to use number 3 for 600 gems, which is 500 plus 100 bonus, you are required to have $5, 5 real dollars. Okay, so be very careful if you're going to use K exclamation mark gems because they require real money here. I will not be able to complete the purchase, of course, just because I don't want to spoil the fun of it. And of course, personal information. But that's how that one goes. Okay, so in our next tutorial, we're going to take a look at collection. We're going to take a look at the collection commands for the Karuta Bot. And let's have a look. So we're going to go over collection, view, tags, and all this good stuff. Like die or fill, die remove, and all this good stuff. We're going to have a look at this in our next tutorial. See, in the next tutorial episode. And before we end the tutorial today, shout outs to Let's Go Karuta, a Discord group that's just beginning yesterday. They just started their own Karuta Bot adventure just like I am in their server. So make sure you guys check out their server. Their server will be linked in the description below. And of course, you can also play in my server in the description below. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Next tutorial is possibly next week for our tutorial Tuesdays. And depending on how my schedule happens, no content this weekend just because it's Father's Day weekend. Gotta spend time with the family, you know what I mean? And then have some fun, play some games, play some Warzone, all that good stuff. For now, we'll see you guys in our next tutorial. And as always, keep on Discording.